Hello dear friends. Waving hand retirement is the perfect time to slow down, savor the moment, and rediscover the simple joys, like the magic of homemade baking. Today we're making delicious crispy tomato pizza-style bread, light, flavorful, and full of wholesome goodness. No fuss, no stress, just the pleasure of creating something nourishing with your own hands. Baking can be a wonderful way to stay active, express creativity, and even share love with family and friends. So let's embrace this cozy kitchen adventure together, because every bite tastes better when it's made with joy. Ready? Let's begin. First, we'll make amino acid starter dough 24 hours before baking. Combine French flour and raisin yeast water. Increase the mixing speed to high and continue kneading until the dough develops enough elasticity to form a thin, stretchable membrane. Let it sit at room temperature, around 26 degrees Celsius, for 3 to 4 hours to kickstart fermentation. After this, place the dough in the refrigerator at 5 degrees Celsius and cold ferment for 16 hours or overnight. The next day, we'll mix our dough. Combine French flour, bread flour, tomato powder, and a touch of malt extract for sweetness. Then add the amino acid starter. This gives the dough a lovely texture. Sprinkle in the yeast and salt. Then slowly pour in ice water while mixing. Why ice water? Keeps the dough cool, making it easier to handle. And finally, add olive oil. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. After that, dust dough with flour to prevent sticking. Press and stretch, then fold the bottom third up and the top third down, single fold. Rotate dough 90 degrees and repeat the folding. This helps develop a light, airy texture. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Next, we'll divide the dough into small balls, about 150 gram each. Roll them gently to smooth the surface. Let them rest again for 30 minutes. Patience makes fluffy pizza bread crust. Dust the work surface with flour. Flatten each dough ball slightly, then shape into round discs by pinching the edges. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Now the fun part, toppings. Flatten each ball into a mini pizza shape. Add half cherry tomatoes for sweetness, crispy mushrooms for crunch, edamame for protein, and a drizzle of vegan mayo. Preheat oven to 220 degrees Celsius, top heat, / 190 degrees Celsius, bottom heat. Bake for 12 minutes, adding 2 seconds of steam at the start. After baking, tap the tray to release air and transfer pizzas to a cooling rack. Brush warm pizzas lightly with olive oil. Cool before serving. And there you have it, delicious homemade mini pizzas. Cooking should be relaxing and joyful, especially in retirement. Try different toppings, share with friends, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy baking and see you next time.